Welcome. In a short lesson, we'll build a tiny C-sharp helper that checks whether a string is entirely uppercase or entirely lowercase. This is a handy string processing snippet you can use in validation logic, text cleanup steps, or demo snippets for beginners. We'll keep the code very readable, handle basic edge cases like null and empty strings, and show a couple of test examples so you can see the behavior immediately. Let's jump into the problem and the implementation. The job is straightforward. We test whether string is equal to string.ToUpper or string is equal to string.ToLower. We choose to return false for null and empty strings, so the function signals no meaningful input. If you prefer permissive behavior, which is empty is to true, you can tweak that easily. I can show that variant, none of the characters are left in place. For example, full caps hello still equals to full caps hello to upper, so it counts as uppercase. Here's, full, here's the full minimal helper. We first guard against null or empty input using string is null or empty, returning false to force callers to pass real strings. We then compare the original to its invariant, uppercase and lowercase forms. To upper invariant or to lower invariant is used to avoid culture dependent surprises. For example, Turkish dotted and dotless eyes. This keeps the snippet reliable for most scenarios. Implementation is a single line logical check after validation. That's the beauty of using the .NET String API. Normalizing with the invariant culture avoids platform or locale surprises. If you need to support special Unicode normalization, such as combining marks, consider normalizing to form C or D before case conversion. These examples show expected behavior across typical inputs. Note that punctuation or numbers do not block a string from counting as uppercase or lowercase. If the letter portions match the normalized form, the function returns true. The empty null policy is conservative, such as it returns false, to help spot misuse. This tiny helper surfaces in many places, such as validating user IDs, passing case-sensitive tokens, or teaching string methods. Because it's just a couple lines, it's perfect for demo videos where you want to explain cultural invariance and input validation. We've implemented a small robust helper to detect whether a string is entirely one case. It is easy to explain on camera and useful in many demos. Use invariant casing to avoid local gotchas and pick a clear policy for null empty strings. We return false here. Thanks and happy coding. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more C# tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.